In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily purchase a new domain through Squarespace. Let's get started on this simple journey to securing your perfect domain name for your website. First things first, you need to navigate your browser to the Squarespace website. You can do this by going to www.squarespace.com. Once you're on the home page, you'll want to look around for the login button if you already have an account, or if you're new to Squarespace, you may have to create one. It's a straightforward process. Just make sure you have your email handy to set things up. Once you're logged in, you're taken to the dashboard where you can manage your website settings. Here, you'll want to head over to the Settings section. It's usually found on the left panel of your screen. Clicking Settings will open up a drop-down menu with various options. Now you'll want to click on Domains and Email, which is where you'll actually find the Domains option. Clicking on this will lead you to the Domain Management section of Squarespace, and this is where all the magic happens. The Domains section is your go-to place for everything related to domain names. You'll see a button or link that says Get a Domain. Clicking on this is your next step towards purchasing your new domain. Now it's time for some fun. You'll need to enter your desired domain title in the search box provided. This part can sometimes take a little time as you think about the perfect domain name that best represents your brand or website. As you type, Squarespace will automatically show you a range of available options along with their respective prices. This is incredibly helpful as it gives you a variety of choices, whether you're looking for a .com, .net, or something more specific like .blog. Once you've found a domain name that suits your needs and falls within your budget, all you have to do is click on Checkout. This will begin the purchasing process. Here, you might be prompted to enter some billing information to process your payment. Make sure everything is filled out correctly to ensure a smooth transaction. Don't forget to review your shopping cart before proceeding, ensuring that the domain name and price are exactly what you expect. And just like that, once your purchase is complete, you'll proudly own a new domain ready to be associated with your website on Squarespace. And that's really all there is to it. You've now successfully navigated Squarespace to find and purchase a domain. This is an essential step in establishing your online presence, and with Squarespace, the process is incredibly user-friendly and efficient. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you're now well on your way to customizing your website exactly to your liking with your new domain. Thanks for tuning in and happy website building.